It begins with nature's raw ingredients, harvested with care.
Every batch starts with precision logistics. From field to facility, the journey is seamless. The oldest soap factory in America welcomes its first delivery. Raw materials enter the heart of production. Every ingredient meets our century-old standard. Extraction begins the transformation. Pure oil prepared for saponification. Precision chemistry meets tradition. And so, the soap is born. Controlled transport preserves the soap's integrity. Every meter of pipe is part of the precision. Staging ensures consistency before refinement. Solid and liquid streams converge with purpose. Human precision guides the mechanical flow. Every additive is accounted for, every step verified. Even the smallest ingredients travel with precision. Temperature control protects the signature scent. All elements unite, ready for transformation.
Refining, go!
The foundation is set. Refinement begins. Refinement flows seamlessly into the next stage. Every passage is designed for precision and safety. Protection starts before production begins. A century of craftsmanship stands behind every bar. Every delivery meets our legacy of verification.
Engage magnet, lift clear, swing right, lower steady.
Heavy lifting, handled with human oversight. Controlled descent ensures ingredient integrity. Cleanliness is the first step toward purity. Digital precision honors traditional standards. Prepared, verified, and ready for refinement. Every particle is sorted for purity. Air and gravity work together for precision grading. Safety built into every micron of filtration. Controlled moisture prepares for perfect integration. Dissolution transforms solids into seamless blend. Clarity achieved through layered precision. Real-time verification ensures batch integrity. Prepared ingredients converge for the heart of production. Foundation and refinement unite.
Cleaning complete. Transformation begins.
Precision agitation creates the perfect foundation. Temperature control preserves chemical integrity. Chemical balance measured to the decimal. Removing air ensures every bar feels solid. Shear force creates uniform luxury. Buffer zones ensure uninterrupted production. Every shade meets our heritage standard.
Reading approved.
Consistent flow enables perfect formation. Controlled cooling readies the soap for its final form. Core processing complete. Transformation begins. Pressure and precision shape the iconic bar. Every stamp carries a century of trust. Patience in cooling ensures lasting quality. Every bar meets the standard before it moves on. Precision includes knowing when to pause. Protection and presentation perfected. Every seal is a promise kept. Traceability built into every package. Final verification before the journey begins. Precision stacking repeated without fatigue. Protection between every level. Every pallet knows its destination. Secure from factory to destination. Human skill guides the final internal journey. Digital tracking honors physical care. Smart storage maximizes space and speed. Every order is a promise in motion. Retrieval meets readiness.
From production to promise, the journey continues.
Every bar secured for the road ahead. Sealed with accountability.
A century of craftsmanship delivered daily.
Simple, pure, trusted.
And this is how modern factories produce look soap from start to finish.
Since 1890,